something just happened in the Middle East that not too long ago would have been absolutely unthinkable. A new security alliance is quietly emerging, one that could reshape the region's future entirely. In recent weeks, the UAE faced an unprecedented wave of over 2,700 missile and drone attacks launched from Iran, forcing them into a constant state of interception. Driven by a shared threat, the Abraham Accords have become the foundation of a new defense partnership between Jerusalem and Abu Dhabi, a partnership that is actually taking shape on the ground. In response to Iran's aggression against its neighbor, Israel deployed a multi-layered defense system to help the UAE protect its infrastructures and airspace, starting with Spectro, which detects incoming threats from up to 20 kilometers away, locking onto targets early and feeding real-time tracking data into the entire defense network. Then, the famous Iron Dome, designed to take down short-range rockets and drones in mid-air, calculating intercept points live and destroying the target before it harms populated areas. And the new Iron Beam system, a prototype high-powered laser that uses concentrated energy to destroy incoming rockets, drones, and mortars in the air, engaging targets instantly at the speed of light before they can reach impact. By deploying systems that are not yet fully operational, Israel is betting its most innovative tech to help protect an Arab ally. This isn't policy change or a simple trade agreement. It's total strategic alignment in the face of a shared threat, in a region where trust used to be impossible. This shows us that while others talk about peace or outright deny it, Israel and the UAE are literally building it, one interception at a time.